Have you ever played a drum fill, felt amazing for half a second, and then the groove comes back and it feels like the floor moved? You know where one is, but suddenly you're floating, waiting for the song to catch you again. If that's you, you're not bad at rhythm. You're just missing one tiny piece almost nobody talks about. And once you fix it, drum fills stop feeling risky. Give me 2 minutes and you're gonna feel the difference. The problem is not your drum fills, it's your subdivisions. Quarter notes, 8 notes, 16 notes. You know them, but you don't own them yet. And mastery means this: even if your brain takes a vacation mid-fill, your body still knows exactly where the beat is. That's what we are building today. Don't skip this part. This is where the fix happens. Step 1, before sticks, we use our voice. I say this all the time: if you can't sing it, you can't play it, because your voice shows your hands where time actually lives. Like this, quarter notes. So just copy me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Now at the end, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 16s. Now we just fill the spaces. 1E and da, 2E and da, 3E and da, 4E and da, 1. And now here's the key. You want to go back and forth between these 3 subdivisions without stopping. And it's normal if it feels messy. That's your brain learning the shape of time. Once you master it, you go to step 2, the pad. And the rule number 1 is tiny strokes, like really tiny. Most beginners go big, loud, tense, and that leads to no dynamics. So here's what you focus on: relaxed grip, even sound, same stick height. This looks basic, but it's the cheat code. If you can play relaxed in a low volume, you can do the same when you play loud, and that's where you build dynamics. So set the metronome at 60 BPM, play single strokes right, left, and count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then stop counting and keep the strokes tiny and even. If your notes sound uneven right now, good. That means we are working on the real problem. Later, you add 8 notes. This is where most drummers rush, so we are going to cheat. Don't skip this part. This is where most drummers fix their rushing. Step A, right hand only, quarters. Just tap the big beats. Step B, keep the hand on quarters, but count 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Step C, at the end with the left hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Now your hands start to fill the space, and here is your mission: calm, tiny, relax, no pushing. By the way, if you like this step-by-step method, that's DrumBetter. My free 5-day mini course, the Backbeat Code, is linked below. It shows you how to organize your practice so groove, timing, and control improve. Save it for later. Alright, now back to the pad. 16 notes. Same idea, same calm. Step A, right hand plays 8 notes. Step B, keep that going, but your voice counts 16 notes. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. Step C, left hand fills the gaps. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. Now you're building real subdivision control. And when this gets solid, fills stop throwing you off because time becomes predictable again. Quick story, there was a time I realized I didn't need more stuff. I needed better foundations. So I went back to the pad and did exactly this. Quarters, 8/16. Slow, relax, every day. And everything changed. Drum fills landed better and even speed got easier because time stopped feeling like, guesswork. And this is the foundation. So now let me show you your daily drill. A 15-minute routine. You go quarter notes, 8 notes, 16 notes, then repeat. All slow, all tiny strokes, all even sound. If you do this for a week, you're gonna feel the difference. No joke. Do this daily and you're gonna notice you stop rushing, one becomes obvious, drum fills land naturally. Your whole playing feels calmer and more musical. So here's your challenge. Do this for 15 minutes a day for 1 week. Then come back and tell me what changed. Comment subdivision if you're doing the week and tell me which one is the hardest. And if you want help with what to do next, get the 5-day mini course for free. Link below. Practice slow, be patient with yourself, and I'll see you soon.